up, everybody? It's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone 13 Pro. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see your phone turn off. Once you see it turn off and you see the Apple logo, you then can release. If that doesn't work for you, just repeat the steps and it should work. There you go, you can release. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and drop a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. And there you guys go.